Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We were doing rounding of numbers and I asked few questions based on rounding of numbers to the nearest 100. So are you excited to know the answers related to the question which I asked in my previous video? Let's see. This was the question, few items I have shown you and cost was given in Indian rupees form and we have to do rounding off to the nearest 100. The first item was car and its cost was, that is, let's see its answer. It will be 5765700 as tens place is 8 over here, which is greater than 5, and we know if the digit is greater than 5, that means we will add 1 to the next place. That means hundredths place will increase by 1. That is 6 plus 1 will become 7 over here. And the digits which are written before hundredths place will remain same. And after that will become 0. Second item was refrigerator. Its cost is this much. Let's see its answer. Answer will be 236800. As tens place is 4, which is less than 5. So if the digit is less than 5, that means no change at hundredths place. And the digits which are written before hundredths place, that is 236, will remain same. And the digit which is written after hundredths place, that is 45, will become 0 over here. Third item was bed and its cost is this much. Let's see the answer. Answer will be 504300. Again the same reason. Tens place is 2, less than 5. As the digit is less than 5, no change at hundredths place. And the digits which are written before hundredths place will remain same. After that will become 0. That's why 504300. Now let's discuss the next subtopic, that is rounding off numbers to the nearest 1000. So here we will observe hundredths place digit now. Let's see its rule. If hundredths place digit is less than 5, that is either of 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. In that case, thousands place digit will remain same. Rest of the digits which are written on the left side of thousands place, that will also remain same. And ones, tens and hundredths place will become 0 over here because it is to the right side of thousands place. Let's see an example over here. Here I am taking, that is 76942 That means hundredths place digit is 0 over here. And we know this is less than 5. As the digit is less than 5, means no change at thousands place. It will remain same. And the digits written before that will also remain same over here. What about ones, tens and hundredths place? That is 0 to 4. It will become 0 over here. Let's see the answer. Answer of the given number will be 7694200. Now what if the digit is 5 or greater than 5? Yes, the same rule we will apply. We will add 1 to the thousands place. In that case, if the digit is 5 or greater than 5, we will add 1 to the thousands place and the digits written before thousands place will remain same and the digits written after thousands place will become 0. That means ones, tens and hundredths place will remain 0 in the answer of rounding off numbers to the nearest 1000. Let's take an example. That is 53468758. So here I can see 5 is written at the hundredths place. The digit is 5. That means we will add 1 to the thousands place. That means 7 plus 1 will become 8. Now thousands place is 8. And the digits written before thousands place will remain same. And what about ones, tens and hundredths place? That is 5 to 8. That will become 0. it will remain 0 in the answer. So let's talk about the answer of the given number. So number will be 53468800. Let's take one more example over here. Now I'm taking the number that is 560176727. As hundreds place is 7 over here. We know this is greater than 5. What we will do now? Yes, we will add 1 to the thousands place. That means 6 plus 1 will become 7. Digits written before that will be same. Will remain same. What about ones, tens and hundreds place? Again 0 in the answer because it is written after thousands place. So answer of the number will be 560177000. Let's observe what rule we are following basically. In rounding off to the nearest 10, 100,000, whatever is the question. So basically we are observing Indian place value chart, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So if the question is rounding off to the nearest 10, in that case we will observe ones place digit because it is to the right side of tens place, and there will be changes at the tens place according to the ones place digit. Now what if the question is rounding off to the nearest 100? In this case, nearest 100, we will observe the digit that is at tens place because it is to the right side of hundreds place digit. Now, hundreds place digit we will change according to the tens place. Whatever the digit is written at the tens place, that is less than 5, 5 or greater than 5. Now, what if the question is rounding off to the nearest 1000? Same formula we will apply over here also. In 1000 we will observe hundreds place because it is to the right side of 1000, and the thousands place digit will change according to hundreds place digit, whether it is less than 5, close to 5 or greater than 5. Similarly, in rounding off to the nearest 10,000, we will, what digit we will observe? Yes, we will observe thousands place digit because it is to the right side of 10,000 place. And similarly, in rounding off to the nearest lakh, same formula, 10,000 place we will observe because it is to the right side of lakhs place. Let's have a look on the questions based on rounding off to the nearest 10,000. So let's see what number I'm taking. Basically, we will observe thousands place over here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 5, 6. As we can see, thousands place digit is 8, which is greater than 5. As it is greater than 5, that means we will add 1 to the 10,000 place because it is rounding up to the nearest 10,000. That means 10,000 place will change according to thousands place digit. And the digits written before 10,000 place will remain same. After that will become 0. Let's see one more example. That is 34795 547. As we can see, thousands place digit is 5. Digit is 5. That means 10,000 place will increase by 1. 9 plus 1 will become 10. Now as 10 is coming, that means 1 will be carry over to lakhs place. So lakhs place will again increase by 1 because we are adding carry over there. 7 plus 1, 8. That's why the answer is 348 and rest of the digits will become 0 over here. Because before 10,000 place, digit will remain same, and after 10,000 place, digits will become 0. Let's do rounding of numbers to the nearest lakh. So here we will observe 10,000 place as I told you earlier. Now I'm taking the number that is 6528745. We can see 10,000 placed as 2 is less than 5. That means no change at lakhs place. Lakhs place digit will remain same, and digits written before that also remain same, and digits written after lakhs place will become 0. That's why the answer will be 65 lakh. That means 65 and 50. That's it. One more example over here. Now I'm taking the number that is 23571024. And see the 10,000 places 7. That means this is greater than 5. As the digit is greater than 5, that means lakhs place will increase by 1, and it will be 5 plus 1, that is 6. And the digit written before lakhs place, that is 23, will remain same, and digit written after lakhs place will become 0. That's why 2, 3, 6 and 5 zeros. Now it's time to give answers. Let's have a look on the questions. So here I'm showing few items and its cost is given in Indian rupees, and you have to do rounding off according to the question given. The first item is bike over here. What we have to do? Rounding off to the nearest 1,000. Let's see its cost now. Its cost is 6,54,203. Your time starts now. Please type the answer in the comment box. Hurry up, time is getting over. Let's have a look on the second item, and that is watch. So what we have to do here? We have to do rounding off to the nearest 10,000, and the cost is this much. Hurry up, type the answer in the comment box. Time is about to over. Now let's see the third item. Third and the last item, that is car. And what we have to do? Rounding off to the nearest lakh. And its cost is given over here. It is 2,56,54,203. Hurry up, type all the answers in the comment box. I hope you have given the answers in the comment box. We will discuss these answers in my next video. And if you want any particular video on any topic of your choice, kindly type in the comment box. Press bell icon for notifications. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling.